Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix verification required on your App Store. So this error, verification required, should be appearing on your end if, for example, you're encountering issues such as an expired subscription or an expired payment method that's currently linked to an Apple subscription. So what you need to do to fix this is actually just renew your payment method to fix a subscription. But first, you can try to cancel your subscription, or at least the one that's about to renew. So just head to settings and then look for subscriptions. So I'm just going to type that right here so that we can go to the shortcut, then select subscriptions. Now in here, just go ahead and select the specific subscription that you wish to cancel. So for example, Amazon Prime Video, then just select cancel subscription and then hit confirm to cancel this particular subscription. Now this is going to be just an example, so I'm not actually going to do it. Now after that, just head back until you see Apple account right here. And then what you're going to do is select payment and shipping. And we're just going to wait for this to load up. So what we're going to do here is just add a new payment method that works. So just make sure that it's a valid payment method and that you have sufficient funds in it. And then just go ahead and fill in the details to add the new payment. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.